In this video, we'll explore Waddle's ultimate takeaways on creating wealth and how viewers can practically use these principles to shift their mindset and set up their lives for financial success. The science of getting rich revolves around several foundational ideas, each crucial to establishing a successful approach to wealth. The first and perhaps most pivotal idea is that wealth is not a privilege reserved for a few, but a possibility for everyone. This empowering concept challenges the traditional notion of scarcity, that only a select few can be wealthy. Instead, Waddle's approach removes that limitation, showing that anyone can attract wealth by aligning their thoughts and actions with universal principles. This idea is not just empowering, it's a call to action that inspires you to take control of your financial destiny. A second essential principle Waddle covers in this chapter is thinking in a certain way. This specific way of thinking involves maintaining a clear vision of what you want, focusing on that vision daily, and avoiding thoughts that might weaken your conviction. In other words, a successful wealth-building journey begins in the mind. This is where Waddle stresses the importance of vision, faith, and gratitude. Vision allows you to keep a clear goal in mind. Faith strengthens your belief in your success, and gratitude keeps you grounded and positive, which Waddle considers essential for success. Viewers who want to apply this principle practically can start by taking a few minutes each day to visualize their wealth goals. This practice can include imagining financial stability, enjoying a lifestyle of choice, or simply feeling secure. Waddle argues that this habit can shift one's mindset toward attracting wealth. Action is the next central theme Waddle calls acting in a certain way. This isn't just about hard work, but efficient, focused, and purposeful action. To build wealth, Waddle explains, it's essential to act without hesitation and with total commitment, focusing on completing one task at a time to the best of your ability. In other words, it's not about the quantity of actions, but quality and intent. Suppose you're looking to integrate this principle into your life. In that case, a simple way to start is by assessing your daily actions. Are they moving you closer to your goals? Do they align with your vision for wealth? Waddle argues that consistency in taking well-planned, goal-oriented actions is critical to transforming wealth aspirations into reality. Waddle also emphasizes the importance of avoiding competition. Instead, he encourages collaboration and the creation of value. In the traditional model, wealth is often seen as a zero-sum game, where one person's gain is another's loss. However, Waddle flips this idea, suggesting wealth should be created, not taken. By focusing on delivering unique value rather than competing, you're aligning with Waddle's principle of building instead of competing. A practical way to adopt this mindset is to look for ways to provide value in every interaction, whether in business, relationships, or personal growth. Think about what unique qualities or skills you bring to the table, and consider how these can help others. This shift from competition to creation can open new wealth opportunities, allowing you to stand out by genuinely contributing rather than battling for existing resources. An essential component of Waddle's philosophy, reiterated in Chapter 17, is the idea of unwavering faith in one's path to wealth. He warns against the dangers of doubt and the negative energy it creates. According to Waddle, doubting yourself, the process, or the possibility of achieving wealth is a barrier to success. Faith protects against such doubts, allowing one to focus on the bigger picture even when obstacles arise. Building faith might involve practicing daily affirmations, setting reminders of past achievements, or associating with people with a positive outlook. Waddle believes that when you fully commit to a wealth-oriented mindset, there's no room for doubt, only space for progress. A related principle Waddle addresses is persistence. Persistence ensures that temporary setbacks don't derail your journey. Waddle describes persistence as essential for anyone aspiring to wealth, urging readers to focus on their goals even if immediate success doesn't appear. A practical tip for viewers is to set small, achievable milestones on the path to wealth. These checkpoints provide a sense of accomplishment, making it easier to stay motivated. Consistently achieving these smaller goals can build momentum and keep your wealth journey on track, making you feel determined and resilient. Remember, it's not just about the end goal, but the journey and the resilience you build along the way. Another powerful element Waddle reiterates is the need for gratitude. He suggests that gratitude for what you have today opens the door to greater abundance. This isn't about passive acceptance, but building a mindset that attracts wealth by focusing on positives instead of deficiencies. For viewers, practicing gratitude could mean starting or ending each day with a few minutes of reflection on things they appreciate. This can be as simple as recognizing the value of opportunities, relationships, or even the steps already taken toward financial success. According to Wattles, cultivating gratitude enriches your mindset, enabling you to maintain positivity, which attracts more opportunities and makes you feel appreciative and joyous. Gratitude is not just a feeling, it's a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. Wattles concludes by reminding readers that the science of getting rich is a holistic process, encompassing the entire mindset, belief system, and practical actions one must take to achieve wealth. This is a reminder that wealth is not just the outcome, but also a continuous journey of growth, mindset shifts, and value creation. He often encourages readers to revisit the principles, embedding them into daily life until they become second nature. Adopting these principles is a transformative process that requires patience, dedication, and constant self-improvement for anyone serious about building wealth. Wattles' summary encourages an introspective approach for viewers looking to start applying these principles, where you constantly evaluate whether your actions align with your goals. It's not just about significant changes, but also minor daily adjustments that eventually lead to substantial results. Whether it's reevaluating how you spend your time, adjusting how you approach your goals, or rethinking how you handle setbacks, these shifts compound over time. Wattles' guidance in Chapter 17 clarifies that wealth building is not a mystery, but a structured path anyone can follow. To wrap it up, the science of getting rich is more than just a guide to financial success. It's a manual for a fulfilling life where wealth is a natural outcome of aligning with universal principles. By embracing these final takeaways, viewers can embark on a path that promises financial freedom, personal growth, satisfaction, and a renewed perspective on wealth. When applied thoughtfully, each principle brings them closer to achieving their full potential. Chapter 17 is the ultimate reminder that this journey is worth the time and dedication.